Our very distinguished guest for this evening is Admiral Richard E. Byrd.
Is there any unexplored land left on this earth that might appeal to adventurous young Americans?
Yes, there is. And not up around the North Pole, because it's getting crowded up there now, because they find out it's really usable, not only to live in, but militarily. But strangely enough, there's left in the world today an area as big as the United States that's never been seen by a human being. And that's beyond the pole on the other side of the South Pole from Middle America. An area as big as the United States that's never been seen by a human being. And that's beyond the pole on the other side of the South Pole from Middle America. And that's beyond the pole on the other side of the South Pole from Middle America. On the other side of the South Pole from Middle America. From Middle America. From Middle America. And I think it's quite astonishing that there should be an area as big as that.
Okay, so here we have the real model. And this is why Admiral Byrd's statement now makes sense. From Middle America, this line right here, running through America, if you run that down, you would end up here. And if you take the West Coast, you would end up just on this side of this line, and the East Coast, that's going to take you roughly to here. Okay? This whole area here is what he's talking about. It makes no sense to reference Middle America on a ball, because all these lines converge back at the pole. How can it be from Middle America? So his reference right there tells us he used this map. Had to.
Okay people, my name is Dana. This is my very first YouTube video ever. I've got something here that I don't quite understand, and I'm hoping maybe someone out there can explain it to me. I've been doing a lot of research on flat Earth and the firmament, things like that. This is a set of encyclopedias I have. They're Encyclopedia Americana. This is volume 2. It's the A's. What we're going to do is look at what it says about Antarctica. These, just remember, this is a 1958 edition. Okay, this is before the Antarctic Treaty was signed. This was before the supposed Apollo missions. I'm going to show you something that it says in here about Antarctica. It basically talks about all the exploration. It says here, Antarctic region, excuse me, all the exploration. Has a few photos, not too many. This is a map created back then. I've read all of this. This is the part here that I have the question about. I am trying my best to get some light on here really good. Like I said, this is my first video. Don't criticize me too much. No idea what I'm doing. Let's see. Okay, I hope you can see this. They did flights, and it says, these flights prove the inland areas to be featureless in character, with a dome 13,000 feet high at about latitude 80 degrees south, longitude 90 degrees east. Okay, I have no idea what that means. There seems to be only one definition for the word dome. Anyway, if anybody has any idea what this means, can explain this to me, I would appreciate it. Okay, thanks.